Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Those of you returning, this is a custom order bridal shower gift for the bride. I've included in here the CVS robes as well as a blanket. The blanket is gray, black, and white, and I used the gray CVS robe along with the Wildflower Boticology set. I also put a lavender candle in this basket, and I decorated the front of the basket with these decorative emblems, and it is actually on the bag and not on the basket, and that was just to give it a little more pizzazz. I used the purple shred down in here, and then I added this beautiful festive bow to include the gold and pull the gold out of the basket as well. So we have our purples, grays, whites, golds, and blacks all incorporated into this basket. And I think that this basket turned out beautifully. And it will be delivered tomorrow. Please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.